Hey everyone, Tessa here. Today I'm going to tell you all about my favorite blender, the NutriBullet Personal Blender for shakes and smoothies. So efficient. I put mostly frozen ingredients in there and it does such an amazing job of blending everything together. It holds 24 ounces. It's 600-watt blender. They tell you to put these cups in the top of the dishwasher. I put them in the bottom and it's totally fine. Just so you know. And then there's also a max line here where you shouldn't go beyond that, but I always do. I go up to about here, just a little bit above the max line, and it works just fine. Here are the blades. Screw it on like that. Goes in here. You got to just line it up. So what you do is you just push down. Yeah, so you want to not have to hold it. You push and then just turn. So. I've had this for 9 months. It's in perfect shape. You should not blend for more than, I don't know if it was 15 or 20 seconds. I can't remember. I do it for 15 seconds and it does a really great job of blending everything perfectly. I should let you know when you're done. Sometimes when you go to take the lid off, this comes out with it. It's a minor inconvenience. Place it back in here. Very easy to get it back in there. Just watch the blades, just like that. You have two options. You can put this on and take it with you. Keeps everything in there really well. It also comes with this, so it makes it more comfortable for drinking. We're gonna see this blender in action. I'm just gonna add a few ingredients. Start with a bit of water, frozen vegetables and frozen fruit and frozen ginger. That needs to have more water. So I'm gonna put it right to about there, right at the max line. I usually go above, but with this, like maybe this will be enough. Put that on there, blend it in my usual 15 seconds. Let's see if that rubber ring comes out or not, or if it stays in. Oh, good, it stayed in. Now I'm just gonna show you what this looks like. Oh yeah, that looks good. So that's my favorite blender. Highly recommend it. I love it.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoy discovering hidden gems on Amazon and want to see more product reviews, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more amazing Amazon finds.